You say go, and I wind up thinking about how we used to run around, chasing all the boys down. And I say slow, 'cause I don't wanna miss you. You were always such a joy to me, each and every memory. When you flew high, you could touch the sky like a little bird blue, your eyes bright and true. And I watched you grow, and I watched you fall, watched you get right back up again, standing so tall. With my heart, with my life, for all my life. I remember the days of pigtails when you used to ride your bike around the yard. Used to smile so big I could barely see your eyes. You were always trying so hard to spread your light on this big bad world, from the rooftops to the stars. I'd knock 3 times and we'd say goodnight in our secret childlike rhymes. With my heart, with my life, for all my life. Then one day I moved on, spread my wings, sang my songs. Bet you never knew how much of you came along. When you flew high, you could touch the sky like a little bird blue, your eyes bright and true. And I watched you grow, and I watched you fall, watched you get right back up again, standing so tall. With my heart, with my life, for all my life. I love you. Thank you.